Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another exposure video. Guys, today we are trying out the app Full Pops 3D. Now, it's an app that promises real life money with the generic scam $200 USD cash out. You guys might be asking, how is it a scam? There's the first sign, it's a scam. Click the PayPal icon, watch an ad and get money. Let's find out together, is this the case? There you go, instantly, boom. $5.89, watch an ad, you get $5.89. But, mind you, you cannot cash out until you're at $200. And, mind you, you will never hit $200. And if you do hit $200, you will never get that money. Guys, what you all have to understand about apps like this, okay, is that, legitimately, they are the biggest joke and the biggest fix you could ever imagine, okay? Now, I don't want to upset anyone out there. I don't want to offend anyone that has devoted so much time into apps like this, okay? But if you were to watch an ad to get money, you're already in a wrong app straight away. Guys, let me just tell you something. Any self-respecting app that promises real life money will not shove ads in your face over and over again and will not ask you to watch ads over and over again. For the 4,000 of you amazing people that have subscribed to me, I've had about, I think, 1,000 new subscribers in 1 month, which is absolutely incredible. You guys are amazing out there. As you can see right now, we are getting bombarded with advertisements, and this is something that, again, we're very familiar with these scam apps, everyone. What you all have to understand, these apps legitimately thrive on us watching their ads, okay? I have had an ad almost every second right now. How is this allowed? How is this allowed, bro, on the Play Store? You know how strict Google is on YouTube. You can't post anything on YouTube without getting banned. But this is without a doubt the absolute worst scam app I think I've seen. This beats Hyperplinko. This beats anything I've seen, bro. Legitimately. We are getting an ad every single time we make a move on this app. This is just absolutely pathetic and shameful. I'm just sad. I'm actually sad, everyone. If I click escape, we'll get an ad anyway. I'm almost tempted to actually turn off my internet, because that is one way to beat these scam apps. You just turn off the internet, everyone, alright? Now, by the way, if you do not know, I have made my own app, everyone. It's called the Bull Learn CFD Training. So, pretty much, you guys can learn CFD trading for free on my app. I really would love it if you guys, if you have an Android, give it a try and see if you can try and make $100,000 on my pretend stock trading app, okay? I would love to know your opinion on it, and please, yeah, give it a try. Links in the description below, and links in the comment section as well. But this app is so fake, it actually makes me quite sick. Full Pops 3D, it doesn't even make sense right now, bro. Like, legitimately, this, I've never seen an app shamelessly spam ads like this. I've played easily over 130 apps on my channel now, and I've never seen an app that legit will spam ads every single time like this. Something needs to be done about this. This is not okay. Like, Google needs to do something about this, everyone. They're not going to, though. Like, I guarantee they won't. Every time. Like, guaranteed. Guaranteed ad. Look at this, man. Ugh. Ugh, I feel dirty. I need to have a shower, man. Like, this app just makes me feel sick. Look at this!
Hey, I have to tell you about this game.
Tell me about this game, lady.
Serious.
I can win serious money? Okay, what is it? What's this garbage? Look at this! $256? Yeah, man, I'm sure you can win this. How do I skip this ad? Skip. Cube Rotator 3D. That might actually have to be next on my hit list, I think. Cube Rotator 3D. I think I will review that, and I think I will destroy that as well, because I reckon that's a scam. Dude, this is probably... I can't get over this. Guys, let me know in the comments as well what you think about this app, okay? Because I guarantee you guys are angry just as much as I am right now. Look at this pathetic excuse for an app. Look at this just trying to milk as much ad revenue as they can. They literally get 1 or 2 cents per ad view, and yet here we are getting spammed. These people are literally getting 2 cents per ad view, okay? And yet here we are getting destroyed by ads. Grow up, developers. Get a real job. Stop trying to scam the public. It's absolutely embarrassing. What a joke. What an absolute joke. It makes me sick. Look at this. What is this app? 2048 card! No! It's back again. 2048 cards is back again. The most fun card games is a combination of 2048 style and classic solitaire. Bro, they've made another 2048. Do you know how many of these apps I've reviewed on my channel now? Seriously. It's like the developers literally just recycle apps over and over again, everyone. I'm not even joking you right now. Wow, look, now the ad, dude, they've played me too many ads. Oh no, sorry, I take that back. They were able to play me more ads. I thought Google actually put a restriction on the game just then, but I guess not. Well, the app crashed, so that's nice. At least I know this app's a complete joke still. So that's good, everyone. Look, I just try to claim the daily reward, have to watch an ad straight away. So not only has the app just crashed to me, right, we have to watch an ad straight away. That's just fantastic, man. This is exactly what I want in my life. This is exactly what I'm sure you guys want in your life as well. You're all struggling for money out there, yeah? Like, everyone's struggling for money right now because of the virus going around. Let's all just scam people, dude. This is what a good developer does. They scam people with pathetic apps like this. Look at this, man. Why is Bitcoin on my screen? What's going on right now? What is this? I don't know. Just stock trading. Anyway, besides the point, everyone, okay? So, pretty much, I do have my own stock trading app in the description below. I would love for you guys to play test it for me. And again, this app needs to go, number one. Google needs to do something about it. I mean, how long can this go on for? How long can these apps actually exist for legally? Because I've had so many people on the YouTube comments telling me they're going to go after these guys. Apparently, there's heaps of lawyers out there in the comments. Don't know how many of them are legit or not. Look at this girl. Look at this. Look at this ad. Are you serious, man? Cash Dozer Master, another pathetically bad scam app. Oh, I can't wait to rip these apps apart, man. Guys, stay tuned for this channel, alright? We're hit 4K. We're going to be going to war with these scam channels, alright? Oh, no, scam apps. Hey, even scam channels as well. Seriously. These apps need to be destroyed. They need to be exposed. I'm so happy so many of you guys message me every day thanking me for saving you time, which I love. That's the whole reason for these videos, to take these idiots down. And that's what we're doing. A lot more people that get exposed to this, the better. Because then they can see, and I mean my videos, by the way, and then they can see how bad these apps really are. Stay safe out there, everyone. I'm going to wrap it up for today's video. Check out my app in the description below if you have an Android, and I'll catch you all in the next video tomorrow. Catch you around, everyone. See you later.